Hi everyone, I'm Miguel Ortiz from Université Gustave Eiffel Nantes, and I will present you a short tutorial video to show you how to assess your estimate in the scope of IPIN competition. So first, a bit of context. This is the overview we use usually in that video series. We define three main steps to organize and compete in the framework of IPIN. Competition preparation with a survey of area, maps referencing, path definition, choice of the ground rules, data collection. Then the competition itself. So three different kind of competition, as you can see, on-site, online, and offline. And the final step, sorry, this is the evaluation and assessment of the estimate. So this video is focused on that latest point. So let's start. First of all, I would like to remind you how we assess a trajectory or an estimate. We compute an accuracy score, which is the third quartile of the sample error. You can see here the sample error. That is computed as followed. We compute the error distance in 2D, plus we evaluate the accuracy of the altitude by differentiating the floor level between the ground truth and your own estimate. So that is how it is computed. From that CDF here of the sample error, we compute the third quartile. And then this will be your final score. In that example, 5.83 meters. Okay. So for this demonstration, you will need to read carefully that call for competition. It could help, of course. Okay. And yeah, specifically, you will need to read the technical annex of Track4. This is because we focus on the Track4 foot-mounted IMU for this demonstration purpose. Okay, there is several some pages. This is the sensor we use. All the data are pretty well described, and then but this is more detailed in a previous video. You can watch the previous video or download the PowerPoint, and you will have to also download the evaluation code you can find here in the following URL. Okay, script eval IPIN 2026. This video will run under MATLAB 2025. It can be adapted to other environments. So once you download all the material, you should have that structure of file and folder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 MATLAB file, 2 folders in which you will find the ground truth. In that one, GT, and in the tuto Track4, you will find a lambda team and its own estimate. It is what we have here. Okay, estimates. If I go up, the team name and the ground truth folder, and also MATLAB file. Here, this is the estimate that we can open, of course. If I go back here. So we have here about 2,500 lines of estimates. And what we will assess is that part. Okay, this is the position, so latitude, longitude, and floor estimation. So this is already in the work package, the zip file you should have downloaded. In the script for the to evaluate this estimates, it's a MATLAB code, and we will go inside very soon, so even now. And let's go. So if I open my MATLAB code, we've got that, okay? This is different parameters that you can set if you want to produce a PDF or not. You can choose the color, many different things. The important part for you, if you want to assess your own estimates, is there. You should modify here your own team name and your own estimates, and basically that's all. So if I run that, so I'm in a good directory. That produce some statistic and two figures. That figure we can see in green the grand truth, and in blue the estimate that has been computed by the competitor Jendo. That is not so bad because it's very close to the grand truth. It's to be honest, it's an offset plus a noise around the grand truth, but for the demonstration purpose, it's pretty good. And here we've got different figure that is used to generate the PDF file that you can see here. So with all the statistic, so the final score is that one. A small picture of the 2D positioning and ground truth. And what is also very important is that CDF, where you can see easily the accuracy of the sample error. And here, just to inform you that we decided to set to 0 the error. That means there is no error on floor estimation. Okay, every blue line is perfectly aligned with the grand truth in green. You can see. One last thing in the folder. So now that 5 files have been generated, and okay, we can just, this is the statistics we also have in the MATLAB console, and we have 2 KML files that we can open using Google Earth or another viewer. So we go Tampere, Finland, where in red we can see the estimate, and in yellow our own grand truth. So this is for the testing trial, of course. The scoring trial will be a bit longer, okay, but everything will be inside this area with different floor level, of course, and so on. So if I go back, I think I'm finished on that. It's exactly what I explained to you, the different file generated. And that's it. Thanks.